How to download GTA San Andreas on PC. Now, there are many ways on getting this. I'm going to be showing you three methods on getting that game. First things first is via the Rockstar Games. So let's go ahead to Rockstar Games official website. Scroll down and here. Now, once you're on the website, you simply click on the magnifying icon right here for search and type in GTA San Andreas. You scroll down and look for GTA San Andreas. Now, just a heads up, this will not be free. It's gonna cost you a specific amount of cash for you to be able to download and play the game.